In this video, you'll discover the best places to visit in Reykjavik for first-time travelers, along with exciting activities to make the most of your trip. Many first-time visitors to Reykjavik feel overwhelmed by the numerous attractions and activities. With so many amazing landmarks, cultural experiences, and natural wonders, it can be tough to prioritize what to see and do. Reykjavik's unique blend of modern charm and rich history captivates visitors. So, where do you begin? That's what we'll explore in this video. Many travelers start their Reykjavik adventure in the heart of the city, where you'll find iconic landmarks like the Parliament Building and the stunning cathedral, Hallgrímskirkja. This stunning cathedral dominates the Reykjavik skyline and is a must-see for its unique architecture and breathtaking views. Next, you'll want to explore the stunning Harpa Concert Hall, a masterpiece of modern architecture that's as impressive inside as it is out. This amazing building hosts a wide range of cultural events, from concerts to exhibitions, and is a great place to experience the city's thriving art scene. The Sun Voyager, a beautiful stainless steel sculpture on the waterfront, offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. After a busy day of exploring, unwind at one of the city's many geothermal spas, a quintessential Icelandic experience. Reykjavik's vibrant nightlife is a must. From cozy bars to dance clubs, the city has something for everyone. Whether you're looking to try traditional Icelandic cuisine, sample local craft beers, or soak up the lively atmosphere, Reykjavik's nightlife is an experience you won't want to miss. The highlight of your Reykjavik adventure could be a magical Northern Lights tour or a relaxing day at the Blue Lagoon. Witness the breathtaking beauty of the Northern Lights, dancing across the night sky in shimmering curtains of green and purple. For a more relaxing experience, the Blue Lagoon offers the perfect way to unwind and rejuvenate in its warm, milky blue waters, surrounded by stunning natural beauty. For a more relaxing experience, the Blue Lagoon is a must-visit attraction. This stunning geothermal spa is located in a breathtaking lava field and offers the perfect way to unwind and rejuvenate. Imagine soaking in the warm, milky blue waters, surrounded by the stunning natural beauty of Iceland. Alternatively, explore the stunning landscapes just beyond Reykjavik. From breathtaking waterfalls to black sand beaches, Iceland is a nature lover's paradise. With so many amazing attractions within easy reach of the city, you can experience the best of both worlds: vibrant city life and incredible natural beauty. We've covered incredible places and activities that will ensure your first visit to Reykjavik is unforgettable, from cultural sites to natural wonders. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and share your own Reykjavik experiences in the comments below.